I will show you how to connect a plug that we've stolen from an old battery, and we're going to connect it to a battery port tester board. It has these three crimp connectors, and you put the wires from the connector through the little holes in the end, and then we use big pliers to crimp it. The holes in these white plug things are not the same size because the cables in the wires in this cable are not the same thickness, so the holes match the thickness of the cables. Unless you stole the plug from a fake battery, in which case it's probably not going to fit. The plug has to be this way around. This is for the MacBook Pro unibody models. And the wires go in the same order as they come out of the plug, obviously. Okay, so they're all pushed through the holes. They stick out, they come out the other end, which is okay. And then we use the pliers to squeeze on the plugs. This one. Do the one on the other side. And the one in the middle. And all that's left to do is to cut off the excess on the far side. That's all there is to it.